We had literally about 20 ideas altogether, and we went through them all, we researched them online, we discovered that some of them had already been invented, so those were obviously rejected, good though they were, and we ended up with one idea, or in fact we ended up with 3 ideas, which are then voted in between. So we whittled it down to 3 and then had a vote.
Yeah, I was surprised at how good the 3D print qualities were in that room. There's some pretty good technology going on there. Some amazing innovation. It's amazing how you can think of an invention and you can get all the way to finishing it, and then you'll find a glaring mistake that you really should have seen, but people coming from different angles, you can say, let's do this, and one of them will say, no, it won't work because of this, but what if you add that feature, and then suddenly you add a chamfer and everything's good again. So it's really cool just having different ways of thinking about the same problem.
Am I feeling confident? I think so, yes.
So today we've drawn it all on the whiteboard, we've identified the components we're going to need to make and all the parts of the mechanism and roughly how it's going to work. While we were doing that, one of the guys actually modelled one of the crucial components, the top of the stem, which has kind of inspired all of us to get on with our own parts. So he shared that file, we've imported it, we've built things around it, we've built things inside it just to check things fit and stuff. And then we've started to 3D print them, so we've got 3 or 4 3D prints, and hopefully by tomorrow we'll have a whole working system and mechanism, which will be quite good fun.
We are very much on track. Yesterday I went to sleep thinking, well, we've got an idea which is about bike safety and bike security, and we thought, well, we might think about it a bit more, but then turned up this morning, had a few other ideas bounced around, like a way of charging your wireless mouse for your computer and a few others, but we thought stick with the bike because it sounds pretty cool, and hopefully will help quite a lot of people.
Well, our invention comprises of an integral anti-theft solution for any bicycle being produced from now on. It's a 4-stroke solution, locking your steering wheel, locking your brakes, getting a steel wire around a tree or lamppost, and an audible alarm in just one simple action of inserting a pin and turning your key, and that's it.